Shade Tree Lester saying, if I can do it, you can do it too. We're out here on Grant Line Canal. This is the biggest one I've ever flipped. I got a hell of a deal on this thing. This is the maiden voyage, a shakedown cruise. Black powder. Hey, Shade Tree here. Been gone for a while, but I've been busy. Got something new that I just finished I want to show you. Here it is. My rendition of the Italian-made motorcycles from the late, or rather early 60s. They made small displacement motorcycles they never imported them to the US, they were only in Europe. So I built this one here, and this is it right here. It's all made out of bicycle parts. There's only two motorcycle parts on this bike. It's the gas tank and the two rear shocks. Everything else I fabricated and took off of a 24-inch Huffy Cruiser, and been working on it since last October. Finally finished it. Take a look at it, and we'll get it out here in a minute and run it up and down the road and get a video of it running. So here it is. Okay, the power plant, it's a 100cc bicycle, two-stroke bicycle engine. That's all it is. It's stock engine. And it runs pretty darn good too. So we're gonna take a little break here. We'll get it set up, and we'll get it out on the road and run it up and down a couple times, get a video of that. Shade Tree, see you in a minute. Okay, there you go. It's my rendition of a early 1960s Italian motorcycle, small displacement. Hope you like it. Shade Tree seeing. See you later.